Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Today I am sharing a Goodwill haul. I'm so excited. My daughter and I went to Goodwill and to Savers, and Savers is like just another type of Goodwill. And she gets a student discount, so it's 25% off of the prices, and some of them were like half off just for the color. But anyway, I found this printer box, and it is 17 inches by 13 and a half. And this is what I store some of my wood mounted stamps on, and they hang on my wall. I'm going to insert a clip here of the current ones that I have. Unfortunately, I don't have room on the same wall, so I'm going to have to move these to a different wall. But I was super excited. $4.49 for this amazing printer box, shadow box. So I'm going to set this aside. It's beautiful. Okay, so next, Savers, $2.49. This was like the regular price. I picked it up because I saw some dies in here, and take a look. Okay, so I think this is one of those old-fashioned vegetable design things. I will get rid of this. They just, I don't know, I find like they really bag stuff weird. Okay, so Cherry Lynn Designs. Look at how cute that is. Festive lights. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Ah, I love it. I love it. So cute. Okay, so we got that one. Okay, then we have the Sizzix. This is the birthday cake. I think I have this one. I will look, and if I do, I will pass this along. I do not have the train one. These are pretty old. This is like how dies used to come back in the day, but here's the train, which I don't have. Super cute. Happy for that. We have the large postage stamp. I may have this one. I feel like I have the one under this size, but I'm going to check and see if I have that one. I don't have this. I love this. Love, love this. Christmas trees. Cute. Okay, then we have the layering flower. I do not have this one. So these are super cute. And then this one, layering flower. I don't have this one either. Okay, yay. Super happy about that. Possibly one duplicate, maybe two, but I think only one. For $2.49. Hey, do you guys want to see my collection of these old-fashioned dies? If you do, like, leave me a comment, and I'd love to bust into those and possibly clear out any other possible duplications that I have going on over there. Okay, here's the next one. I knew it had a lot of stuff that I was not going to keep, but I saw this die in there. $3.99. That is the price that I actually paid. Let's see about getting this open. So, let's see. First thing that we have is create stained glass look. I wouldn't use this, so I will just redonate that. And this is a little bird feeder model kit. Now, I would never use this. However, there is a little boy that lives next door, and I think this is probably like the perfect age for him, so I'm going to see if he would like this. So I'm going to gift that to the kid next door. Okay, so this is the reason that I purchased this. This looks like, okay, this looks like an AliExpress die, but what I think it is, the owl on the branch in the witch's hat. That's what I think it is. Oh, what I'm going to do is Google this and see if I can find a picture, because that looks. If I donate everything else, I paid $4. I mean, I guess nowadays AliExpress is so expensive that's not too bad. We have some fun napkins. I mean, I know people use napkins in crafting, but I don't. However, I do use napkins, so I'll probably just put these in my kitchen. And, I mean, those are super cute. And just use them for, like, when I need to wipe up a mess or something. To and from labels. I love these. I actually use these on all of my packages. So this I'm just going to slip right into my Happy Mail drawer. And what it looks like, some kind of maybe invitation or cards. The back, I would never use these, so I'm going to redonate these. And then we have some alphas. These are rub-ons. I will just put these with my alphas. So, I mean, not too bad. This is going back to be redonated. So is this. So is that. Okay, so we have like a bag going back pile. This next one that I picked up because, of course, I saw the Impression Obsession dies, and I have a couple of their dies. So, I wanted to see what was inside. How much was this? $4.99. Let's take a look at what's inside. Looks like a lot of good goodies in this one. Okay, so yeah. You are an amazing, cool, incredible, astonishing, awesome, fantastic person. And it's just a die like that, which is super cute. Really quick making a card that way. So, great die there. And then, oh, and here we have some of the Cuddle embossing folders. I do have a lot of these, but I don't actually think I have these ones. So, I will go through my embossing folders and check. Hey, if you guys also want to see my huge embossing folder collection, let me know down below and I will do that. So this is Divine Swirls. I do believe, well, actually, you know what? This is a Diaries. So this isn't the actual Divine Swirls folder. It looks like they just taped it to it. So I'll have to see if I have that one. And here's the scroll work. I don't think I have this one. It's been a while since I've gone through my Cuddle stuff, so I will check on that. This is some kind of die set. I hope I will be able to figure out what it is. Cut and emboss birthday chick dies. Does this have a picture? It does not. I wonder if there's a stamp set that kind of goes with this. Sorry for the plastic, but it's really like stuck in there. Okay, so this is the dies, but I don't see anything else. So I don't know if there are stamps that go with this. So I will take a look, but either way, look, there's a happy birthday die, a little chick, a little bow. We have a fence. And yeah, I don't know what the other things are, so I will investigate that and hopefully maybe find the stamps that go with it. Alright, so then we have more Cuddle cutting dies. It looks like there's this is a 4-pack, and I don't think I have these ones either, but I will be looking and getting rid of any ones that I do have. And then this is one of the old style, it's like double plated. I have a couple of these. If you look, it's like two-sided embossing folder. I don't have this one, I don't think, so it like cuts and embosses. So that's a cool find. And what is this? One book. A flip-flop folio book. I don't know what that is. I'll have to check it out, see if it's something that I would use or not. And then we have some Kaiser Crafts chipboard. So yes, I'm super happy with that lot as well, especially it's all Cuddle Bug stuff for $4.99. That was a great deal. So I found this Recollections 12 by 12 paper pad, brand new, $1.49. Cannot beat that. And then these are from Goodwill. Okay, so $3.49. I did get these for like 25% off of that price because of student discount. So let's see what we have inside. All right, so we have some stamps. Okay, looks like they've been unmounted and then mounted. Looks like they did that themselves, which is very convenient. Then we have some Greeting Farm stamps. Look at those, brand new. And those are Anya, 80s Anya, cute. Okay, and Holiday Anya, look at how cute. And there's actually two of them, so one of the cards must be missing, which I just printed off the website, but look how cute she is. Oh, she's like in a little angel outfit, little Santa hat. Okay, these are adorable. Super happy with that. Select. Then we have these, $3.49. Okay, so first we have Lizzie Ann Simply Singles. This is just some stars. Very cute. And then, oh look, here's an uncut. This looks like another Anya. But look at how cute she is. Super cute there. Then we have the Greeting Farm, the boy Ian. And it looks like this says Tail Wagger. Look at how cute those are. These are like really nice size stamps. Look at how cute that is. Oh boy. Okay, guys, so out of breath from this. I was so excited to do this haul of all these goodies. Okay, now I need to like make room for everything. But yeah, okay guys, that's my Goodwill haul. Okay, let me know down below. Do you want to see all of my Provo Craft mini dies like these? And do you want to see my collection of Cuddle Bug embossing folders? Okay, thanks so much for stopping by, guys. Have a great day.